the schooling you've gone to, the employment that you have. And what's also very important is that you can add your resume as well. And I've also added other jobs as well. And it also shows you people you may know, people who have viewed your profile as well. You can also edit it for the public and edit it in another language for others that have another language as their primary. And right over here, you can build your network and find connections. I personally feel this is one of the greatest ways to get connected and find people for the future, especially when you're in your career. Thank you for listening. This is Bailey Green, signing off.